Oh, Santa Rita, a faithful wife and caring mother, you show the way for us to live our daily lives in holiness and zeal, in loving surrender to all that God wills through Christian model. We sing with joy through Santa Rita's praises. To God, our loving hearts we raise.